Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to add the current time to your Facebook story. This feature is a fun way to share exactly when you're posting your story and adds a cool touch to your content. Let's jump right in. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best features and updates. Step 2. On the home screen, tap on Create Story at the top left of your screen. This will take you to the story creation screen, where you can start adding content to your story. Step 3. Next, select the photo you want to add to your story. Choose a picture or video that you'd like to share with your friends. Step 4. Once you've selected the photo, tap on the sticker icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a variety of stickers and options you can add to your story. Step 5. From the available stickers, tap the time icon. This will add the current time to your story, showing exactly when you are posting it. You can move it around and adjust the placement on your photo if you like. Step 6. Once you're happy with how your story looks, tap Share to post it. Your friends will now see your photo along with the time you posted it. And that's it. You've successfully added the current time to your Facebook story. It's an easy way to personalize your posts and share the moment in real time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using Facebook features.